my name is Stephen Blake from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators, and welcome to my YouTube channel and also our Halloween special, hence the knife. Happy Halloween guys! In this tutorial I am going to show you how to protect your chrome or brass sockets from getting paint on them, because they don't look too good with paint splashes on. But first guys, please turn your sockets off at the mains, and if a wire comes out and you are not confident to put it back in, please get an electrician. Always remember, safety first. Let's get straight into the video guys. Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to protect this chrome socket ready for painting. What I like to do is I like to unscrew these. Do it gently as well so you don't scratch the silver plates. This applies to brass sockets, and you can even do it with the plastic sockets, but I intend to just sort of clean the plastic sockets off at the end of the job because they're a lot easier. I don't make a right mess of them anyway. Right, so unscrew them there like that guys. Now let's get the masking tape. And then I'll just do that. And I don't sort of fold it in because that acts as like a protector for me, and I don't intend to do the underneath bit because I know there's a gap and I can cut into it. Also guys, I'll show you another way, because sometimes the screws are very small and you end up, not very small, but the box is deeper into the wall, so the screws only intend to bite a bit. So a lot of the times you end up with the screws right out. And I'm going to show you with this one with the screws, with no screws in it, and just give you an example of what to do in that situation. These screws are quite long, but like I say, I'm just giving you an example of what will happen. Because often you're screwing and the screws have only just bit in, you see, so therefore you can't keep the screws in. But the other solution is what I do is I'll bend it up like that, get the tape again, and then once again that's like a protector. What I'm saying, that's just another scenario that if you've got to take them right off of how to do it. That guys is how you protect a chrome socket and from getting any splashes of paint on it. Right, thanks for watching guys. Thanks very much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, please like and please share. And thank you very much, and have a good Halloween guys.